What is up, YouTube? My name is Cooper Salvoni, and welcome back to another insane YouTube video. Now you might be asking yourself, what is us? You can't see it. Wait, you can't see it normal because it's like mirrors and that freaky stuff. That's Safari Volvo. We also got Turbo. Yeah, I made some not smart choices. But we got the good old, god darn dude, that guy fricked me. What? We got tail light blinkers. We got brake lights, and we got front blinkers because your boy needs all of them. Brake light's been out for quite some time now. Front blinker just went out, so I was like, let's just make an insane YouTube video and film it. I'm currently balding because I am a middle-aged man. Yeah, but let's get right into it. This is how to change a headlight on a Volvo V70, V70R, probably C7, C60, I forget. But I don't know, most old Volvo wagons from the 2000s era-ish, this is how to do that on. So let's get right into it, folks. Okay, so I'm going to use a sprinkler tool because they're actually pretty easy to use. You also want a glove because when you touch the light bulbs, they lose lifespan. So you're going to want to look for these tiny, tiny little indents. And you're going to kind of just go in there and just pop it. And you also want to be careful because plastic can break like I did to the other side, but you'll see that in a little bit. And you have these two red things down here, right? One red thing, two red thing. You're going to want to pull them out. Make sure they're pulled out. And so once you wiggle it around, it should just come out. You can let that hang there. Okay, and so now we're going to look for a little clip and push down, and it should just come out. And we have both our blinker and our brake light. And now I'm going to show you how to switch them out right now. Once you have them, you're going to unscrew, just twist it, and then you're going to get the new one in. Okay, so because of some difficulties with, Volvo, trying to be Volvo, this is our old one. Wait, this is our old one. So what Volvo did was actually they put these little pins, one right here and one right here, which is about like 45 degrees apart. This one is about 180 degrees apart. And so it's hard to get them in, but I still managed to do it because I'm just awesome sauce. And knowing me, it's going to like cause my back of my car to light on fire like spontaneously. So now we're going to replace this bad boy, which is the blinker / reverse light. I totally forget which one it is. Luckily, these ones will not have the same problem of the 180, but it's the one back. So we're going to open these bad boys and kind of just get right into it, So we're going to take our bulb and just put it in like so. There we go. So this side's done. The way to put these in is to watch this clip. And does it go this way? It will kind of just slide in. Sweet. So I think that's locked in. I don't know. You put the top of this into this hole. Make sure everything lines up properly. That might work, but knowing me, probably not. I think it's going to be too big, but maybe not. It might actually work. And these just push in like that. There we go. There's that side done. Now let's go to the other side. Okay, so same as the other side. I'm going to take my screwdriver. This side's a little messed up, and we're just going to go like this. Sweet. As you can see, I broke it the other day. That's okay. We're going to pull this one out. Pull this one out. Both red things. And it should kind of just pop out like that. Then you're going to You're gonna push on that like this. Push on this thing, and it should come out. No lights, Mamma Mia! It's because I took them out. Actually, no. We are going to start with the other one first, since it's a lot easier for me to show you. So you kind of just put it in, twist it, and it's in. Not the same for this one, because Volvo decided to make, see the two little itty bitty things right here? So this is the aftermarket one, and this is the one before, and the two itty bitty things are actually a little bit like off-centered. It's about 45 degrees, and I'm not sure why they did that, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles. So I'm gonna have to basically make a little cut on this tiny, teeny thing right here, and then I don't know. I'll show you. Okay, so literally that took me about 5 seconds, and all I did was bend a little bit of metal right there, so that I could try and get this piece in. But it is still a lot harder. And my main concern is just the glass exploding. There we go. Once you hear that little pop, you turn it so that the two metal things touch the metal things so that they can actually, function. And then we're just going to put this back in. This is the top. It kind of just slides in. There we go. Now we're going to do this. Kind of just feel around. Put these back in. Not really like 100% sure on what those do. But then we take this, these little pieces go into there, and then you want to be as gentle as you can be. And there we have it. So right now we're just going to test and make sure that everything is working, And they are both working. Sweet. Sweet. Okay, so I just had to run to the store because as I was putting these headlights in, first off, I realized they weren't yellow. And second off, I have two different types of front headlights. So on this side, I have this type, right? It just connects to the bottom. But on the other side, since the protective casing fell out in the middle of winter last year, I had to get a new headlight, and they just shipped it with this type, which is like electronic, and I'm pretty sure it's just a lot easier. Anyway, they're pretty much the same. I don't know. So first thing you're gonna want to do is pop the hood, which I've kind of already done, and just open this bad boy up, and then you are going to want to push on the thing, which I will show you in a clip. Push on it, pull the headlight out. Sorry folks for looking at my butt. And then you just twist this little black thing off, like so. Take the headlight out, and this thing should just twist and pull out. See, it's clear. We don't want that. Okay, so with these, you just gotta push a little harder, and they go right in. Then you take the headlight, put it back on like so, kind of twist it until you find the sweet spot, and the wire just came undone. So you twist this part on, and then you just plug it back in, clip it on. Hear that clip? Make sure that this goes on in the proper way. Like so. And now we're going to do the next headlight. Same kind of deal. Grab the headlight bulb, push down on this thing, pull it out, twist. This one is fairly new, so you just kind of pull it out, grab the new one, push down, sweet. very hard to do things with a cast on in the automotive industry, folks. I don't know if you've ever had to deal with something like that, but it's not my favorite. Sweet, sweet. Now let's test it out. Okay, so we have our side marker lights, front blinker, blinking, other blinker, blinking, side marker light, back tail lights, and everything looks sweet. There's some big important things coming out. If it's not the next video, it's going to be the one after that. It involves welding, cutoff valves, or like delete valves, or exhaust cutout valves, or whatever you want to say. So we got some big things coming, honey. Pink truck's coming off soon. We got to repaint it over the winter, and it's not going back on until spring because there's a ski rack underneath pink truck, like quite literally. Ski rack. I live in a ski town, so yeah. That's today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe because yeah, I'm currently taking over the world, and yeah, pink truck out.